Hey everyone, welcome to Opportunity City. I'm going to show you what can you buy for $500,000 in Austin, Texas. My name is Alex Kaufman with Teifke Real Estate, and today I'm going to show you some local current listings for what you can buy with $500,000 here in Austin, Texas. We're going to dive into a few different properties and show you different parts of Austin and see what we can get for $500K. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Let's dive in. Hey guys, this is going to be a quick and easy video. Make sure you stick with me to the end. Alright, so first thing you need to do is you need to go to teifkerealestate.com. And once you get to Teifke Real Estate, you can start your free search right here and search some local listings. What we're going to do is we're going to be looking for houses for $500K. You can do advanced search by listing ID, search by addresses. Today we're going to do the map search. We're going to change our criteria here to 500,000. See what we find. Alright, so the first area I want to show you guys is Windsor Park, 78723 area. Matt and I own a property right about here, and it's a really hot and upcoming neighborhood. It is south of 183, but a little bit north of downtown, and it's a great area to buy, in my opinion. So let's see what we got here for 500. Alright, 1505 Willis Lane. Let's read the details. It's going to ask you to sign up for an account here. Alright. Signed up for an account. Now we gotta probably do that again. Okay, here we go. Alright, so this is a nice house. Let's see how big it is. It's built in 1962. Single family. Three bedroom. It's about 1128 square feet. And let's see these pictures. Pretty nice inside. Looks like a recent kind of semi remodel. Doesn't have brand new everything in here, but it looks like they have new fresh paint, some new trim, some flooring, nice looking bathroom, good little backyard, nice deck. But just a very simple house. This is a little bit on the outskirts of the neighborhood, but still a great property. And this is what 500 grand will get you in 78723. Alright, let's see what else we can find. Next property. Alright, so this is for 500. This only has one photo. Let's go to the next one. Lot for sale. Alright, here's a nice one. 78750. 500,000. Built in 2012. It's a 4-bedroom, 3 bath. It's really nice. Pretty updated, pretty modern. They have some good listing photos. This one is 2,283 square feet. You also have some great stuff here too. You can do a virtual tour, some more information. You can schedule a showing, have a mortgage calculator, get a printable flyer. It's a nice property. Let's go to the map search again. Alright, we're gonna zoom out a little bit. Let's see what we got. A little bit South Austin. South Austin is a great area, and it's growing really fast. Doesn't look like there's much for 500 on the dot. Let's try 450 to 500. All right, Riverside. Let's check this one out. It's a condo. Nope. Rental income. Montopolis is a very hot area. Let's view this one. 500K Montopolis. 6806 Cruise Street. Not many photos here. Looks like this property needs some work, but it looks like they'll be trying to sell this maybe to an investor or a builder who wants to come in, tear the home down, and rebuild it. See, heads up investors. Here's an ideal pie-shaped lot along East Riverside corridor. Zoned SF3, 2-unit structure, month-to-month tenants currently residing at the property. So it sounds like this would be a good opportunity for someone to come in, buy the lot, and build on it. Looks like they have some new builds right next door, right here. And how big is the lot here? Almost a quarter of an acre, so good size. So this is what you can get in Montopolis area. Montopolis is growing extremely fast. Used to not be that hot, and used to be able to buy cheap properties over there for about like 205, 210, almost a year ago, so a little bit more than a year ago. And now those same properties are selling for about 500. So it's growing really, really fast. And these are just a couple of options for properties for sale. Here in Austin right now, the market is extremely hot. There's a ton of offers going on for each property. And listings are coming on for about a week or so now. It used to be a couple of days a few months ago. So it's slowed down. They're on the market for about a week or so now, and it's just a really hot market. One of my favorite areas to buy and invest in Austin would be 78723 for up and coming areas. Montopolis is a good area down southeast. And if you've got the cash, Hyde Park is my favorite area and location to live and to buy in Austin. Really expensive, not gonna cash flow if you're buying at market value. However, if I could choose anywhere to live in Austin, that would be one of my top spots. Really hope you guys found this helpful, and make sure to reach out if you need anything at all. Comment below your favorite place to buy or invest in Austin, or where you'd like to move to, and we'll see how we can help you out. Till then, see you next time.